Hello everyone, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get free trial, and then also I will tell you that how you can use. I will give you some basic knowledge about Shopify. So if you watch the full video, by the end of the day you will be able to learn a lot of things. So without further ado, let's move into it. So first of all I have to do, I have to go to shopify.com. So I actually discussed with ChatGPT, so give some information. So if you can use AI, that will be a more great option to take a Shopify free option. Okay, so first of all I will go to the shopify.com, and all you have to just, you need to click the start free trial. And good news is, guys, one more good news I want to give you. So if you spend $1, and then you can get next 6 months only by spending $1 each month. You have to pay $1. That's the main thing. This is the biggest update on Shopify. So let's move into the Shopify. So to get free trials, all you have to do, just you need to click the start free trial, and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds to come into the next option. And after that you can use your own Google account, and also you can use sign up with Google. So let's click on one over here, and as you can see, start for free and then enjoy $1 a month for 6 months. So guys, it's very incredible. So if you still staying, and then also one more thing, they're committing you, which is the no commitment and cancel anytime. This is another great thing. So let's give one of the fake email. So you can go to the email generator. Okay, so let's go one of the this website, and then from here let's here actually will generate the email. Okay, so let's wait for a couple of seconds and let's see, is this strategy working or not. If this strategy not working, I will give my own email. Let's give some password, any password. Let's try this. If this work, that's cool. If not working, I will give my own password. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it's working. And also you have to give your payment details, and then all your payment information. And whenever you will give your payment information, like if you subscribe, you have to give to the payment information. Okay, PayPal, whatever it is. And after that you have to follow some next step, and then you have to go to the Shopify. You will get the Shopify free trial. And now I will give you, guys, some basic knowledge about Shopify. So whenever you log in, how you can use, how you can create a store, how you can add theme, and then how you can add payment method, and then how you can add shipping method, all this stuff. So let's go to the Shopify. So first of all I will go another store. So there I am login. So let's click the admin. So from here I have to wait for a couple of seconds to loading. So it will take for a while. So for your case it's gonna be very fast, because you are already creating an account, and then also in your country might have some great network, but sometimes in my country makes some issue. Okay, and also, guys, since this is waiting, so I would want to tell you that if so whenever you will create your store, so I think you not have great experience on Shopify. So if you want to create your own store, just you need to book a call with me, and then I can definitely help you to make your better website looks good. So you need to book a call by clicking here, and then also you can do live chat with me by clicking WhatsApp, by clicking live chat here. So there are a lot of options. So you can also see my portfolio, and then about my previous client work, and then also all the thing. Okay, so some previous design that I have improved. Okay, so let's go over here, and then as you can see, this is the Shopify dashboard. Under the home, you can actually, this is the dashboard. Here you will see how much order, how much thing you actually get sales, and under the order, so you will get how many order you get, and then your customer information, and also even you can see how many order, how many item ordered, all this thing. So let's go to the under product, and then you can add collection, and then you can see inventory, purchase order, and gift card transference. Okay, so customer, under the customer you can see segment, campaign. Under the marketing you can run email campaign, and all this stuff you can add attribution, automation. And let's here you can create the discount by coming here. So let's click the create discount, and then as you can see, discount option on over here, you can select one of them. And under the online store, under the analytics, you can see your store report, and then also you can see live report, how many people viewing your website, how many sales you are getting. If you click on over here, and then you will be able to see where from you are getting traffic, all this stuff exactly you will be able to see here. So under the online store, guys, you can see under the online store you will be able to see that everything. So from here you can add new theme, and then you can create new, and then you can actually buy some new theme from Shopify, from theme store, Shopify apps theme store. And then also under the apps you can see this apps. So here you can add unlimited apps. So there are apps like pricing apps, and then also shipping apps, and then also currency changer apps, all the apps available. Under the settings, guys, and under the settings actually you can add some payment method. So, okay, so guys, under the settings you can see a lot of option. You can see your plan. So which plan actually currently you are taking. So all the Shopify current plan they will show here. You can cancel plan anytime. And then also under the billing you will be able to see which apps actually you have taken your paid, and all the currency thing actually you will see here. and let's go to the meet and let's do it, and let's come back here. Okay, so we are not over there. Okay, so under over here you can see how much which apps you spend money under the like paid, open, failed, processing, all this thing you can see from here. And then if you want to add any freelancer or agency owner, you can click by add stuff, and then from here actually you can add some stuff account stuff. Under the payment you can add your own payment method by clicking here. As you can see, payment provider, you can click the choose payment provider, and from here guys you can actually select one of them so that you want. So if you click on over here, then from here you can actually active manage by clicking manage account, all this stuff by clicking here. So you can actually start creating your account, and then maybe you have to create account. So if you already have an account, you can do that. Okay, so under the add payment method you can search by PayPal. So if you search it, then here will show PayPal, PayWise, all this stuff actually. Okay, so you have to select some payment method that are available in your country or in your city. Okay, so under the checkout you can customize some basic checkout page, but you can customize full checkout page but if you only take the Shopify Plus. And then under the shipping, so under the taxes and apps and channel, so if you click on over here you will be able to see all the apps that you installed. Okay, so as you can see I have installed CJ Dropshipping. Under the domain you can connect your own domain, and then you can as you can see you can connect your existing domain or you can buy domain from Shopify. Okay, that's pretty simple and straightforward. If you click here, then it will take to you have to have search on a domain name over here, and then if this is available it will show here. Okay, so now let's, as you can see, shipping and delivery. So under the shipping and delivery you can actually set up your all the product shipping and delivery. And then first of all, before you adding the shipping and delivery, you have to add the market, which market you want to sell. So this market actually currently under the content. Okay, under the content, the market. So from here you could say set up the market. First of all you have to add the market, then after that you can actually set up that. Okay, so guys, I hope you found this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and in future what type of content you are looking for, let me know into the comment box. And also if you need any website or if you need any help, visit my agencywebsite.com and book a call with me or directly message with me. I will definitely help you to create your professional store. So guys, again, thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.